persuading the king. The Manaka was not going to tell the king straight away that it was only a bull bellowing in the forest. He planned first to create a mystery so that when he finally led Hefty to him, the king might feel very grateful to the jackals for having found out the truth. He told the king that he would first check the source of the sound that had frightened him to ensure that the king was not fooled. A few days later, he told the king, "Sir, a bull had been left in the forest when he broke his leg. It was his bellow your majesty heard. He wishes to pay his respects to you. So I came to ask your permission. You see, sir, it is wise to know the truth, or we will be fooled imagining a bell to be a demon." "How can a bell be a demon?" asked the lion. The bell. A thief once came into the city of Brahmapura and stole a bell. He was running away into the surrounding Sri Parvata hills when he was killed by a tiger. The bell lay in the forest on the mountainside. Some days later, a troop of monkeys found the bell. They enjoyed themselves playing with it, jumping on the trees and chasing one another with the bell. They made a lot of noise ringing it. The sound echoed all around and was heard by the people in Brahmapura as well. They wondered what the noise was and soon began to create stories about it. The people believed that a terrible demon lived in the hills. When he moved, the bell rang out and he would eat up anyone who came there. Fear spread in the area, so people began to leave the town. Killing the demon. A woman named Karala lived in the town. She was clever and did not accept things blindly. She always wished to know the truth, and only then she believed something. So she went to the king and offered to find out the truth if she was rewarded suitably. The king ordered that she would be given some gold. Taking the reward, Karala set off for the mountains. On the way, she bought a lot of fruits. On the mountainside, she scattered the fruits all over the forest floor and hid herself behind a tree to wait for the demon. Soon the monkeys came. They hung up the bell on a tree and grabbed the fruits. Karala waited till they were fully involved in eating and quietly took the bell. She ran down the mountainside with the bell to the king and told him all about the demon. Hefty's progress. "Sir, we have brought you the bull," said the Manaka. The king spent a lot of time talking to Hefty and gradually realized how wise the bull was. One day, Hefty asked him what became of the deer he had killed earlier in the day. "The jackals will know about it," said the king. Hefty asked him to check up, and the king found that the meat was not there anymore. How could they have eaten so much meat? He wondered aloud. The wise Hefty told him that the jackals took away the meat always, eating some and wasting a lot of it. He advised the king to be a little more careful of his valuable meat, because no one had a right to take the king's treasures or property without permission. A minister should not tamper with the things belonging to the king or the kingdom, said Hefty. The king was very impressed with Hefty's honesty and service.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.